Well, here we are. And a little bit of Tennessee rain on the 3rd. You ain't got to worry about not burning down on the 4th. Barely even see the lake. Damn plants are leaking water like hell over here. Look like they need them a little bit. Monsoon season up in here. Say hi, because I know you got to go to work.
Yeah, but it's rained everybody out.
You might not even make it down the driveway. Good Lord Almighty. What a day. I think they called for 20% chance. We got all 20%. All right, everybody. Have a good day. Happy 4th of July. Take care. We're out.